What is up, guys? This is Moritz here from Sectionster once again, and today we will be having a look at this collection section right here. You can easily link it to a couple of your own collections and decide what picture is getting displayed, and also the font is going to be changeable too, and a bunch of other things, and I'm going to show you how you can do that for yourself. First thing I did with it was headed on over to the Shopify app store where I got the Section Store app. You can get that one completely for free. And it's a non-subscription app, and as you can see here, it contains over 150 fully customizable components, Shopify only, and the one I used for this tutorial is called Collection 5. It's the one right here. It does come with a one-time charge of $9. It means if you bought it once, you will own it forever, and you can add the section to any theme as well. You're not going to need an expensive developer and still can customize it to your likings. All right, after successfully getting the section, head back to the My Sections area of the app, where you have to add the section to the theme you're using. In my case, it's the Dawn Live theme, and then you can simply open up the theme editor, also Dawn Live theme in my case, which I've done here already. That is the one I have done. So I'm going to show you real quick how you could add it completely from scratch. So just click on Add Section on the very bottom of the theme editor right here, and then type in Collection. And that would be the one. The default version is going to look like that. So pretty much that block right here. I just wanted to show you how you could add that, but I will edit the one I have here already, so I don't have to fill it with all the content again. So I'm going to show you how you can edit one single block right here. So we're simply going to click on that one, and then we can select the collection right here. In this case, it's going to be shoes, of course. And if I wouldn't add an image, it would just pick the first image of the product of the collection. But in this case, I do want to have a picture for that. So I'm just gonna chuck this one in right here. That is looking good, and the sub headline is looking good, and we're gonna do daily for the main headline, and the text is going to be shop now. We could also do shop shoes, as you can see right here, but I do think shop now on every single one is looking quite well, but you can just change it to your likings. And I'm just going to save this one up real quick. And in the next step, I will show you how you can do some customizations to the whole thing itself. For example, if we click on the whole thing, we can decide if we would like to have an icon. Icon would get displayed on the top right here. So if I wouldn't hide it, as you can see here, that would be the icon. We can change the position of that. We could select the headline as well, which would be over the whole thing. But I do think in that case, it looks nicer without. If we scroll down a little bit, we can see the text width. So if I would make that a bit smaller, it would affect the headline as well. And the text size is something we can change as well. That would also be the sub headline, the slides per view. So if we do want to have it as a slideshow, that is possible as well. That would affect the whole thing in mobile. Of course, it is fully customizable and fully responsive as well. So as you can see right here, it operates as a slideshow. Let's just switch back to the desktop version. We could have an autoplay as well, and a bunch of other things like the image ratio. Let's save this up real quick so it gets displayed the proper way. But as you can see here, you can pretty much customize everything in that whole thing. And another thing we can change would be the font. So here we could pick a semi-bold italic, so that would get a little bit thicker. I'm happy with that actually. And yeah, a few other things we can change too, like the button size, also the little border radius on that one. We can do some dots as well, so those would appear if we would have even more images. And yeah, just play around a little bit with it. I just wanted to give you a brief overview of everything that is possible in that section. So we could also pick a different header color right here, but white has the best contrast. But yeah, I hope you guys found that useful, and before we will actually end the video, we will have a final look at it in the live version of the website. And there we're gonna scroll all the way down. By the way, all the sections you can see right here are all from Sectionster as well. Just feel free to visit our app and have a little look around. We do offer a lot of free sections as well, like this Instagram one. So not all of our sections do come with a one-time charge. But yeah, that is looking good. Our new one is also working. Let's see if the link to the collection is working too. That is looking fine. Perfect. Let's head back to the main page and round this one up. So yeah, hope you guys found that useful, and if you have own suggestions about sections we should make in the future, always feel free to leave them out in the comment section as well. And with that being said, have a good one and peace out.